Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, so you just go down, click your account down here. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down here. So then you click here on pharmacy, click on it. When you click here on pharmacy, come to next step here. So then you go down here. Then you come here to transfer prescriptions, click on it here. So then you come to this list, add here your first name, the last name, and date of birth, and phone number. Then you click here on continue here. Then it's going to get started here. Enter the details for the prescriptions holder or transfer to prescriptions Walmart. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.